That's been accelerated, we'd all accept, since the pandemic. We've had massive reduction in the hours spent in the office. That's meant we need to do more mobile working. People work from home, but there is still a need to go out to site to do inspection work and in regulatory services terms, but also to do some reactive work, meeting with the public. So that means we need to accelerate the approach that we take. If we're going to maintain a blended world, and I'm pretty sure we will because of the savings that we could then expect around keeping the office full-time working for 100% of the workforce, then we need to get better at how we actually enable the officers whilst they're out on site. That's including support management, but also accountability, so that people who are managing the services and the professionals can actually see that there's some fair exchange in terms of work, tasks and completion. I think also there's the social aspect to work. I think we're all struggling through that. It's essential to enable links through to managers and other team members so that you get that support. And what this looks like, we're not 100% sure yet, but there is work to be done to enable that for these officers so that the blended world becomes the new reality.